and welcome to Harry Potter Puppet Pals and the strange, mysterious ticking noise. Here's a little snack whilst you watch our performance. Here's some refreshments and I hope you like them. Have a good evening.
Thank you.
Cute, isn't he? Thank you. We hope you enjoy our performance. That mysterious ticking noise. Not over here, no. Not over there. Quite catchy, isn't it? Do you agree? Snape. 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 Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. Dumbledore! 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 Ron Weasley! Ron, Snape, Ron, Snape, Ron, Snape, Ron, Snape, Ron, Snape, Ron, Snape. Dumbledore! Yeah! Woo! I found the source of the ticking. Uh-oh. It's a pipe bomb. Voldemort, oh, Voldemort. Bum, 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 bum. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed our performance, although it's not over yet.